What's up, guys? Terry White here. Going to show you guys real quick how to create a Google form out of your Gmail, so you can attach. You can make a survey and attach it to your image ads, so you can post it to Craigslist. Real easy. You can keep track of all your leads in a spreadsheet, and it's real simple, real easy to do. A lot of people don't know how to do it, but I'm gonna show you how to do it real quick. All right, so I'm in here in my Gmail, and got this Drive tab up here. Hit Drive. And I've already created one a couple days ago, so I think I got a couple responses. So what it does is once you create the form, it has the form here, then it has your response sheet. So we're gonna look at the form first. Form, I just titled it "Make Money Online Questionnaire," and I just talked about if you're tired working for someone else and ready to start your own schedule, you know, and I start going into stuff like that. Tell them how it's no cold calling, no bugging family or friends, no home meeting parties. And then I have about 8 or 9 questions here, just pre-qualifying people to see if there's somebody that I want to work with. So that's what you want to do. And I just got a city and state. Describe your situation. What would you like to earn per month? How would your life change if you meet these goals? How much would you be willing to invest in yourself to meet these goals? And are you ready to start your own business? First name, last name, email, done. Easy. Too easy. All right, let me show you the response sheet. Response sheet, I got about 3 responses so far. I only did this on I did it on 1 ad just to test it out. And like I said, and it puts it in a spreadsheet by the questions that you put down. They're all there. And it goes in order, the timestamp on which the people submitted the form. Once they submit the form, it comes here, boom, timestamp, and it has all the questions that you asked here. All the questions. So it's all in a spreadsheet, guys, and then you can be able to do this and do whatever you want with this spreadsheet. Put them in your autoresponder or whatever you need to do. Alright, show you guys how to create it real quick. So once you're in your Gmail, you hit Drive, create, scroll down to form, gonna create a form. They have all these templates here that you can use. I use default because I don't want to use all these balloons and blossoms and all that, but that might work for somebody else, but it doesn't work for me. I just use the plain default. It's just a survey form. It's nothing special, you know what I mean? But I use a default form. So for this one, we'll say make money. Make money. Hit OK, and your form is basically almost created. Now your form description, you put in here whatever you want to talk about. Like I said, no cold calling leads, no home parties, or whatever your business entails. Then that's what you would put in here. Just like a short description, letting them know why they're filling out the form, so that it gives them a little something to look forward to when they're filling out the form. So for this one, we'll put make money online. And like I said, I'm gonna delete this form as soon as I make it, but this is just for you guys real quick. All right, for the questions. Put any question. I won't put no more than 10 questions in there. I got about 8 or 9, but the main questions you want to put in there is first name, last name, email. Anything else over that is a plus. So we'll do first name for this one. First name. Don't worry about the help text. Drop down here. Text, paragraph, text, multiple choice, check boxes, choose from a list, scale, or grid. This is how you want them to answer, what type of box you want it to be in. So you click text, it's there, their answer. You can make it a required question if you wanted to. You hit done. See how it's creating? It's too easy. Same thing, last name. Last name, text, required question, done. Next. Email, text, required question, done. And you can go on, so on and so forth, and do this next question. Well, I can't even spell. How would this change your life? How would this experience change your life? And you can make that a paragraph text. They probably will have a long answer. I'll make everything required. Done. And what you would do is don't make no more than 10 questions, but what you would do is you would go down and create however order you want to put it in, and just make pre-qualify people, see who you're working with, and it's just better than people just contacting you. You don't know what their intention is, or what I'm saying, they might not even be serious about the business, they just tire kicking. So you don't want those kind of people. One of the main questions that I would put on there is how much are you willing to invest in yourself? That's the number one question I would put on there. So you would know that once you get to the part telling them how much it is to join the business. Well, on your survey, you told me that you were willing to invest $500. This is only X amount of dollars. What's the problem? But, you put on there whatever you want to put. So, pretty much. And after you finish all your questions, you're going to come down here to this confirmation page. Confirmation message is by default, it says your response has been recorded. Now, you can change that to say whatever you want. And what happens is once they hit submit on this form, the next page they'll see is your response has been recorded. So you can put in here, thanks for filling out this survey. Somebody will be contacting you shortly. Whatever you want to put there. Show a link to submit a response. I check that. Publish and show a link to the results of this form. I don't click that. They don't need to know that. Allow respondents to edit responses after submitting. I do that. They might want to change the answers. Then the last thing you want to do, most important thing with your form, send form. It's not sending it nowhere. It's just it's sending it to Google, I believe, but it's just giving you your link that you're going to embed into your image ad for Craigslist. So here's that link. You can share Google Plus, Facebook, Twitter, or you can send it in an email. So remember this link because you're going to need it for this Craigslist. All right. So we're going to go over here. I already created a quick little image ad that we're going to use. And the site that I use to host my images is postimage.org. It's real quick. I don't have to put in my email or nothing like that. I just go to this site real quick, choose my file, where it's at, that one, boom. For Craigslist, I use anything. I use message boards and bigger. Nothing less than message boards. But I use message boards for this one. And you got to click family safe, and then you upload it. Boom, it's done. And you want to get that direct link. Get that direct link. You go to this other site that I got, htmleditor.in. Real simple. It has something in here that says type in yada yada yada. First thing you're gonna do is you're gonna go there and delete all that. I already deleted it. So matter of fact, I'll refresh it just to show you guys what it looks like there. All right. So go here, hit the source button. And usually when I'm doing this, I'm real fast when I'm doing it. Explaining it to you guys, I'm a little slow, but it's all good. Okay, so you hit source again. Now, you need to worry about all this stuff. You need to worry about nothing. The only thing you need to worry about is this source button and this image button. So the next thing, after you clear out that source button, click this image button, paste your image link right there. And I usually check it. I'll click here and I click back. Boom, and it's there. All right, so now you want a link. Now with this link thing, no, you already got the link. Now with this link, you can have it linked straight to your form, or you can have it linked to your website. But for this video here, we're going to link it to our form. So we're going to take this, we're going to copy that, and we're going to paste it right here. Right here. So when they click on that image ad, it goes right to this form. Now what you want to do when it says target, make sure you put in the window. People don't like when they're on Craigslist and they checking an ad, they click on it and it takes them away from Craigslist. People don't like that. I don't like that. I'm on Craigslist. I'm looking through 1,000 ads. I don't want to click on your ad and it takes me away from Craigslist. So if you put new window here, it will take them to another tab on their Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, or whatever they're using, Firefox. They take them to another tab, and Craigslist is still open. So that's another good thing. And put that there, hit no window, and you are done. You're done. You want to make sure that that's there. Your image is there. Next thing you want to do is source. Leave that there. Go to Craigslist. We'll post this one in small business ads. I'm already logged in. Um, already there. All right, let me see. Usually I just check to see what my competition is, and it's pretty steep down here in Hampton Roads, but I just check people out just to see what they got. But post Craigslist. You guys know how to post Craigslist, so I don't have to walk you through that. Posting title. I'm going to delete this, so don't make fun of my titles. Usually I will come up with something more creative. I will come up with something more creative, but for this, I'm just showing you guys how to make this form and get it on Craigslist. Alright, so copy all this. Copy, copy, copy. Image ads are the best on Craigslist. So if you're not using image ads, you need to. You need to. Now, I'm done with my Craigslist ad. I'm just hitting continue. I'm done with my images. It's there. Boom. It's there. Now you continue. Thank you for posting with us. We really appreciate it. And we pray that it didn't get ghosted. Alright, so let's go back here. Let me show you what happens when somebody sees your ad. They're like, oh, make money online. Oh, start your own home-based business. Not everyone is qualified to work from home. Take this short survey to see if you qualify here. Oh, click here. What happens when I click here? Oh, it takes me to this form. Boom. Too easy, guys. I'm telling you, this thing is a money maker right here, man. It just takes them straight to this form. They fill it out. You get all your responses. All your responses in here. All your responses come here. After they fill that form out, all your responses come here. And that's it, guys. That's too easy. So if you got a Google account, if you got a Gmail account, go ahead and set that thing up, man, and start working this, because it's too easy and you should know about it. So go ahead and set that up. And that's all, guys. Take care and be successful in whatever you do. All right, peace.